This is a meditation to repair fragmented soul aspects of who you are. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and relax. Imagine that you are standing in front of a full-length mirror and that you can see yourself fully from head to toe in this mirror. You will notice the mirror is shattered from different life traumas that you've been through, splitting you apart in many different areas. Take a minute to clearly notice these fragmented areas in the mirror now. Now call in your I Am presence, your true connection to Source, to the divine, to heal your mirror and to heal yourself. And as you speak the following words, see the mirror in front of you coming together and healing itself. Say out loud, I call all aspects of my soul back to me. I am a multi-dimensional being of light. I am all 5 elements. I am the earth. I am metal. I am water. I am wood. And I am fire. And I recall all of these original elements of my being back to me now. I am the yin. I am the yang. And I call these original aspects of my being back to me now. I am one with all. And I become whole as every part of my universal being is called back to itself now. And I see as I look in the mirror that I am whole, that I am coming back together as I originally was designed. I am healed. I am divine. I am. And now take a look in the mirror and see that it has been completely healed. And the reflection of you in the mirror is completely whole. From head to toe, you are a perfect being of light, perfectly healed, perfect in every way, preparing to go forward on your light journey. Empowered, confident, and strong.